Hey FlexTech, welcome back to another episode of the Weekly Flex. I'm Corey.
And I'm Evie. Let's get started. With October being college month, all of us are focused on possibilities after high school. If you have been thinking about how to pay for college or other post-secondary schooling, there are a number of financial aid opportunities to explore. On Wednesday, October 28th, there will be a virtual event called Financial Aid 101. If you're interested, please email Ms. Alshire for more information. You can learn about it at flextech.hs.org.
This month is College Month. As a school, we are trying to get you to think more about what you want to do after high school. One amazing resource is Michigan GoingPRO website. Ms. McKenney made a video talking more about what the Michigan GoingPRO campaign is. Let's watch that now.
Hi guys, Ms. McKenney here to share a really awesome resource for you as we are going through college month and thinking about what we want to do after high school. The Michigan GoingPRO or GoingPRO in Michigan website is a really great resource for you, and it talks about the hot 50 jobs here in Michigan. So 50 jobs that they're really having a hard time finding people to fill, but that are very highly in need. So pretty much if you look into any of these careers and there's something that you're interested in, it's very likely that you'll get a job and you'll be able to have a profitable job. So the way that this website works is you can go through here, you can find your local Michigan Works agency and they can help you find a career, or you can scroll down here and choose a career pathway, or you can look up here at the top at different careers as well. But if I wanted to look and say maybe the healthcare career field, here are four of the most needed jobs here in Michigan. And as you can see, most of them only require an associate's degree or some training. It just depends. So say I'm thinking, I want to go and look into being a respiratory therapist. I can go here and learn more. They have videos that talk about like a day in the life of each career. They talk about how many annual openings there are normally, their projected job growth, and then a wage range. So how much money you could potentially make. And then they kind of talk a little bit more about what kind of things that they do, and then their associate's degree. And then the best part about it is that you can find a training facility here in the state of Michigan near you. So if I want to click find a training facility and I type in Brighton, because that's where I'm from, okay, I can see all these places here are where I can go to start getting my training. And when I can go visit their website and learn a little bit more about their program for a respiratory therapist. And then so you can go through the day in the life of all kinds of different jobs in IT, manufacturing, automotive, construction. And if you're not really sure what you are wanting to do, they also have a space for you to look at, to kind of discover what are some careers that are in high demand that might work for you. And you can always contact them to learn more about certain jobs. And they also have spaces where you can get trained, and they talk about places or different institutions where you can train for really any of these jobs, but places that are well known for their more career and technical training. But yeah, so I just wanted to share this really cool resource as you're kind of going through college month, and especially for you seniors who are going to be graduating soon, to really start thinking about what you're going to do when you leave this place in the spring.
If you're a junior or senior, please make sure you fill out the College and Career Session Selection Form in your advisory classroom. If none of the options seem to appeal to you, schedule an appointment with Ms. Alshire to discuss options.
Testing is almost done, everyone. COVID has really thrown a monkey wrench into everything, and it has made testing a bit chaotic, but we're almost there. Seniors just took the SAT last week. For those seniors who failed to make it to testing last week, your makeup test is Tuesday, October 27th. Be on the lookout for details. And finally, PSAT testing for 10th 10th, and 11th graders will take place on the 29th. It will be a remote learning day for everyone else.
In order to maintain social distancing, the following changes are being made for the PSAT on October 29th. 10th graders will arrive at 7:30 a.m. and enter through the front doors. 11th graders will arrive at 8 a.m. and enter through the side collab doors.
Good luck, everyone. And now, this.
Hi FlexTech. I've had a really great time working here. All the students that I've met have been brilliant. I've learned a lot from you guys. I've been really inspired by all the stories that you've told me and all the interesting things that I've heard about you guys doing. You guys are super lucky to have such nice teachers here. Honestly, I've really enjoyed being in the school with such a committed group of people. I really hope that when you look back on your high school, you know how lucky you were to have such great teachers around. But also, thanks so much for making me feel welcome, and I will miss you. Bye.
My good thing this week is that I got my medical boot off, so I'm not a cripple anymore.
My good thing is this weekend I woke up early and went for a walk.
My good thing this week, finally got my contacts. Guess what? They don't fog up when you wear a mask.
Something good. Something good that has happened to me as of lately is that I won my semifinals match in a video game tournament and I'm going to the finals.
My good thing is we're voting early.
Good job!
All done.
High five! You did it.
Thank you, Audrey.
It just stays like that. Nobody can get any of it out. It's all stuck in there.
And we're doing it with our new boy, Michael Frederick.
This weekend, a group of friends and I went and drove like an hour to Blake's haunted hayride, and we do it every year, and it was really fun to do it again. My snails, they were all hibernating, and they just woke up yesterday.
My good thing is that we live in a world where there are Octobers.
Say hi, Audrey.
Michigan State University is conducting a study to learn more about schools like ours. They would love to hear about the student experience and are looking for 15 to 20 students to participate in an interview. Students to sign up and participate will receive a $20 Amazon gift card. If interested, speak to your advisor.
If you have not been fortunate enough to meet FlexTech newcomer humanities teacher Miss Lineman, we encourage you to say hi. Miss Lineman is passionate about the world and making it a better place. She wants to share this passion with you by showing you more ways to live responsibly. Please enjoy our new segment, Don't Throw That Away, with Miss Lineman.
Hey everyone, Miss Lyman here. You will not believe what I just walked in on. Will you repeat what you were just saying? Wow, they're gonna be silent now. Wow. They're ashamed because I had to tell them, don't throw that away, because they were about to throw away the sheet just because it had a little hole in it. And let me tell you, we need to save our Mother Earth, gentlemen. And also, I know that you're broke and you're living off of credit card scams, so you can use to save all the money you can. Let's make some face masks out of this and maybe even some scrunchies for Sam's long hair. And that would be a really amazing way for us to save Mother Earth, save lives, and save some money. Let's go. You can make lots of things out of an old sheet, like masks, scrunchies, and even scarves. If you're feeling creative, you can do even more, like make shirts, pillowcases, and really anything your mind can imagine. But I'm feeling basic today, and plus, we're here to save the earth and save lives. So we're gonna make masks. Here's what we'll need. A sheet, a sewing machine, some scissors, pens, and of course, elastic. I used a free template from the internet to make this mask. There's plenty available for you as well, so definitely check them out. And just like that, they're wearing masks. Wasn't that hard, was it, boys? Hello? They're being silent again. Typical. Well, I hope that you all enjoyed this edition of Don't Throw That Away. I'll see you next time.
One of the greatest ways we can support our wellness and build community is through movement. The FlexTech Health and Wellness class will be hosting a virtual 5K during Halloween weekend. To see how to participate, please contact Ms. Schrock ASAP, or you can click the link below in the description. Our hope is to provide a fun and family-friendly experience that encourages a healthier lifestyle. Anyone is welcome to join. The more the merrier.
Speaking of Halloween, one of the best parts of fall is Halloween. Are you celebrating this year? If you are and would like to share your experience or costume with us, please submit photos or videos to the media arts team at this email showed on the screen now. And now, check out this assignment created by media students. Alright, so I'm Kerr.
And I'm Einfeldt.
And I'm Saum. And we're here to remind you guys that we have these yellow lines in the parking lot for a reason, and that is to park in between the lines and in the middle, because I see that some of you clearly do not know how to do that.
So Jake's about to show us how not to park.
Okay, so now Austin's going to be showing us an example of how to park correctly in school parking.
It's a pretty car.
Okay guys, thank you for your time, and please take your time while parking in school parking.
That's another episode of the Weekly Flex in the books. Thank you for watching. I'm Evie.
And I'm Corey. Have a great week.